Wondering what Myrtle Beach weather is like in the summer months? We go to Myrtle Beach every month of the year, and we've been going for many years, so I'm going to share with you what you can expect during the summer months for weather, specifically June, July, and August. This will help you plan your next Myrtle Beach vacation. Hi, I'm Carmen, and if you're new here and you enjoy Myrtle Beach videos, travel tips, and other travel videos, be sure to subscribe and click the bell so you won't miss anything. What is your favorite month to visit Myrtle Beach? Leave a comment below. There are pros to visiting Myrtle Beach in the summer and also some things to keep in mind. First, let's talk about the pros. The air and ocean temperatures are consistently warm in the summer. It's a great time to swim in the ocean. In addition to swimming, there are tons of other outdoor activities and also entertainment available during the summer. We have a top 10 things to do at Myrtle Beach video, which I will link above and also in the description below. Rain tends to be isolated thunderstorms and not all-day rain, except of course during a hurricane or tropical storm. Packing for the summer months is easy. You only need to pack very light clothing such as shorts, lightweight shirts, and swimsuits. No jackets or long pants needed. There are a few things to keep in mind about the summer months. First and foremost, it's hurricane season. Also, daily afternoon thunderstorms are a possibility, but as mentioned, they're typically isolated. It's extremely humid, and that humidity raises the, quote, real feel temperature. Summer is definitely the busiest time of the year at Myrtle Beach for crowds, especially around the 4th of July week. Let's take a closer look at the month of June. The average high is 85 degrees. The average low is 70 degrees. Average humidity is 75%. The water temperature average is 80 degrees. And the rainfall average is 7 days for the month. Looking at July, the average high is 88. The average low is 74 degrees. Average humidity is 77%. The water temperature is 83 degrees. The rainfall average is 8 days for the month. Also, most years, Salute from the Shore flyover happens on the 4th of July and can be viewed from almost anywhere on the beach. The 4th of July boat parade occurs at Murrells Inlet. Also, there are official fireworks displays for the 4th of July at several locations in and near Myrtle Beach. Next, let's look at the month of August. The average high is 87 degrees. The average low is 73. The average humidity is 79%, which is the highest average for the year. Water temperature average is 83 degrees. Rainfall average is 9 days for the month. For more great Myrtle Beach travel videos, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now and click subscribe so you won't miss anything. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.